Good morning, rising sophomores. Very, very good to see you. My name is Carol McGlynn, and I am the director of Trio College Access Services, the Upward Bound and Talent Search, located out of the University of Maine at Presque Isle. First of all, I just want to congratulate you for completing your freshman year of high school. I know the freshman year in high school is one of the hardest years that you'll have due to transitioning into high school and all of what that involves. Can be very, very hard for students. I also know that you ended your school year abruptly from in person going to school live classes to virtual. I just want to say kudos to you for sticking it out and completing your freshman year of high school. For any new rising sophomores with us, I just want to say welcome to Upward Bound and congratulations for being accepted into the Upward Bound program. We look forward to meeting all of you in person. I wanted to share this video to give you some really important information about your summer programming. Your summer program actually begins Monday, June 22nd and will end July 3rd, which is on a Friday. So it's 2 weeks in length. The two classes that you will be participating in during those 2 weeks is 2D animation and UB 101. 2D animation is being taught by Michael Lee. He is a professor from York Community College in York, Maine. And UB 101 is being taught by Michelle Richards, which I believe most of you should know Michelle. You will be doing live classes with both Michelle and Michael. Michael's classes, we're actually splitting the group up into 2 sessions. There will be a morning session and an afternoon session, primarily because of the size of the group. So Michael's morning session, first session, will be from 11 to 12, Monday through Friday. Michelle's classes will be each Monday, so only 2 classes with Michelle, live classes, from 10 o'clock until 11 o'clock, in which all of you will participate in her class together. The afternoon second session with Michael begins at 2 o'clock in the afternoon and will end at 3, Monday through Friday. You will all receive a schedule, so you'll know which session that you will be participating in. And you'll get your schedule actually next week because we will be delivering laptops and any supplies that you might need for summer programming. Your UB advisor should or will be in touch with you to plan a day and time to drop off your laptop and your supplies. There'll be a few forms that you'll have to fill out, laptop agreement form and such, but it's important that you are there so that they can go over all of the information with you when they meet with you. Also, some of you have signed up to take elective classes. The elective classes, as you know, will go on for 5 weeks. So when your laptop or when your classes are done July 3rd, your laptops will be picked up by your advisor the week of July 5th so that they can bring them in, we can sanitize them, and then we can get them ready for the rising freshmen. So laptops for you will only be provided for 2 weeks. So we've asked you to keep your school devices so that if you have signed up to take an elective class, that you'll be able to do that for the 5 weeks that they are offered. I think that's it. Other than if you have not signed your W-9 form, it's very important that you do so because we can't provide you a stipend until we have your W-9 form. For all new students, if you have not filled out your summer paperwork, please send that back into the office as soon as possible. If you haven't signed a W-9 form, we will have it on file and we will bring it with us when we drop off your laptop to ensure that you get your stipend at the end of the summer. Your stipend for the 2-week programming and actually going into 5 weeks, you should receive a stipend of $120. So we want to get your money right after the summer ends. So please fill out that paperwork if needed. Most of you returning students, you're all set. If you received a stipend, your W-9s are done and you don't have to worry about it. I say this more for any new students who have been newly accepted into the program. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to your UB advisor. But if you'd prefer and you want to reach out to me, you can email me at Carol, CAROL, .McGlynn, MCGLINN, at maine.edu, or feel free to call me at 768-9620 and leave a message, and I certainly will get back to you as soon as possible. Again, congratulations on moving into your sophomore year of high school. And just know that we are looking forward to starting our summer out with you and being with you throughout the summer. So take care, everyone, and we will be talking with you very, very soon.